Hello everyone, welcome to Shandong the electrical panel production on site. Currently we have 2 units of XGG 850 model power machine with the 280 kilowatt electric motor ready syncing to India. And now you can see this is the electric control panel. It has a PLC control system, and also we have the manual mechanical button start and stop system. You can come closer to see this PLC system. It has a Wi-Fi system and also can connect to your computer, and you can also control the power machine with this cell phone. It's the same screen with this electric PLC. And as you can see, this PLC system has a manual start system, and also it has an automatic start and automatic stop. And inside this electric control panel, we have a high quality all favorite brand chain electric components, electric soft start. It's a kind of a bypass soft starting system. All the electric control panels are changed favorite brand, and also we have an frequency speed control device for the fitting convenience. And this high quality PLC type control panel, if you like it, you can send your inquiry to the team. Thanks for watching the video. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.